Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again, and in this video I will talk about the Memoji. Memoji is actually required iOS 13 and later, and this, as you can see, the Memoji is available, but the thing is that we can't actually move this. Okay, when we do our facial expression, the Memoji cannot actually do the same. Okay, यहाँ बात करने वाला है गाइज मीमोजी के बारे में, एंड मीमोजी हम लोग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं ओल्ड आईफोन में, बट द थिंग इज दैट द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन इज नॉट वर्क. सो कैसे इनेबल करना? मीमोजी इज वन ऑफ द फीचर दैट एक्चुअली अवेलेबल ऑन द आईफोन एक्स एंड द लेटर आईफोन सच एज iPhone XS Max, and this feature actually blow my mind when it getting launched. Okay, the thing is that when you use the Memoji, the facial expression you do, the emojis will work the same. Okay, but हम लोग जो यहाँ पे Memoji क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे facial expression नहीं वर्क करेगा, तो अल्टरनेटिव क्या है? You can say that you can also create it Memoji on this iPhone as well, but the thing is that when you do something like facial expression, it won't actually do the same. So how actually we can do this? Okay, so I have two alternatives that works best for this. Okay, and let's jump into that, and you can see that this is actually Memoji that we have to actually create manually. Okay, so let's jump into the video and see what exactly the two alternatives are. Okay, and you can see that this is working, and whenever I do something as facial expression, and when I move my head left or right, you can see the thing is working well. Okay, and the thing is that you can also record it. Okay, you can also record it with the record button that you see the down below, and this you can see whenever I do something like moving my head, my nose, and whenever I actually open my mouth, it actually works. Okay, let's move to the second one, and this is the Supermoji, and this allows you to do lots of emojis that you can use it. Okay, but the thing is that this is actually not a free software. You have to actually pay it, and if you want to use this, you can go with the trial. If you love the trial, you can actually continue with this app. Okay, as you can see, there are tons of emoji you can actually use it, but right now I don't opt any pro version or premium version, so I have to actually do what I have to actually move with the free ones. Okay, as you can see, whenever I actually do something like I do my head left and right, as you can see that it's working, and this is how actually working, and you can also record it. Okay, as you can also record it the same that actually that did with the previous one. Okay, so yeah, this is the second alternative you can use on your iPhone, and you can also record it, and if you love the trial, you can also continue with its paid version, which is good comparing the free version. Okay, तो यही था दो अल्टरनेटिव दैट एक्चुअली वर्क्स टू एक्चुअली यू कैन रिकॉर्ड इट द Memoji. ऐसे देखो, क्रिएट करने से क्या होता है कि यू कैन क्रिएट लॉट्स ऑफ द फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन यहाँ वर्क नहीं करता, बट in this two alternative works well. Okay, so you can create it Memoji and you can record it. That's the best thing about this two alternative. And if you really like this video, please do thumbs up, do subscribe, and guys, please do share, and I hope I come back. So this is for the today, and I hope come back with a new video. So this time guys, bye.